So at the moment we're hand rearing 2 penguin chicks. This is one of them. We distinguish them. One has a blue dot on its forehead and the other one doesn't. So this one at the moment is the one without the blue dot. This one's 7 days old, so exactly a week old. And as you can see, he seems really hungry. He's shouting and going. When we're hand rearing the chicks, it's quite important to try and keep it as natural as possible. So what we do is we get our hand and we pretend it's a penguin's beak coming along, so mum and dad are coming along to feed it, and we kind of place it near the penguin's chick's beak, and you can see this begging response happen straight away. So it's a little garbage dispensal unit there, and we drop the fish down in, so it kind of tries to make it as naturalistic as possible. Just recently I've come back from a trip in Peru and I've actually gone to see these guys in the wild. So it was a once in a lifetime opportunity for myself to go out and see these amazing birds that I've been looking after for, well, all of my career. I've been at London Zoo for 14 years, and it was a mind-blowing, kind of fact-filled, sensational couple of weeks of going out there and seeing where these guys come from and trying to relate the work that I do here at the zoo, and kind of get a connection with the birds in the wild. We work with these guys every day and we build up a rapport with them, and it's really nice just to go out and see their roots to find out where they exactly came from. For me, birds are spectacular animals to look at, but I mean, just look at this. It's a cute, cuddly, fluffy bundle of joy that's here that everybody loves to see. But the adult birds, they're kind of black and white. They kind of look like they're dressed in a suit. They're quite comical. They're quite clumsy. Do you know what I mean? There's something about them that you can kind of connect to. As a keeper, we connect to them daily. You know, Mr. Grumpy or one of the penguins that's really happy to come up and see them. You know, you can see your friends. You can see, you know, lots of characters around in there, and it's just a joy to come in and work with them.